Yo, 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 junk man on the scene. We up early again. Got the boys. They popped up today, ready to get at it. Our last day of picking up Christmas trees. Bo brought his sunflower seeds. He's ready for anything. Let's go. Here it is. Hey, let your brother help. All right, get it in there, boys. Hey, it's part of work, man. Dirty hands, clean money, boys. Third day of Christmas tree pickup. I'm loving these Dr. Seuss trees. Might get me one next year. All right. Workplace violence. Here they are. Teamwork. Had to have a pep talk in the truck. Oh, help him up. Here. Wore him out today. Joker's out, down for the count. And that wraps up our 2024 Christmas tree pickup. The boys are pooped. Naya fell asleep in the car. I had to carry him inside. And I am off to do more work. You guys know the drill. If you got junk you need taken, call the boys at Aloha Junk Man, 808-940-0809. And next year you need your Christmas tree taken, let us know. Aloha.